Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to reactivate your Discord account after once you disable your Discord account. And if you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 minute solution.